What's going on, YouTube? Here's another video for you today. So I got a garbage disposal here. Turn it on. Listen real carefully. Some people will like, oh, I gotta replace my garbage disposal now. No, that's not what you do. You come down below here. You get yourself, it's an Allen wrench here, okay? On the bottom of your garbage disposal, in the very center there, you can kind of see that hole right there. You put this Allen wrench inside, and if you listen, boom, hear that click? I unlocked it. Now, come over here. There you go. Put some water down there and test it out. So, don't always think just because it's humming and it's not turning that it's broken. You have to get a new garbage disposal. So don't let the plumber tell you, hey, your garbage disposal is bad. First things first, go down below there. You should, on some, not all of them have it, but some have it in the middle there. That little screw in the bottom, you'll feel it. Unlock it. Good to go. Back in action. If it keeps doing it again, it's probably getting bad inside there, and then it'll need to be replaced. So, hope this video helped you out. Have a nice day. Like and subscribe, baby. Alright, so I went back and I realized I didn't really show you where it goes in at. So let me get a better view here. I was kind of looking down. But basically, that hole right there, I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to put my Allen wrench inside. And that's what turns. You kind of see that? Most garbage disposals have this. Some of the cheaper ones don't. They'll have a reset button on the side. But yeah, this is what you want to do. Right there. You turn that. It won't turn at first, so you'll need to grab it, put it in, and boom. And that's when it unlocks. So that usually will free it up, and then it'll start working again. Alright, cool. Sorry if I didn't have good video quality there when I was trying to show you, but hopefully that you can see that better. Yoo-hoo.